My son is 6 and my daughter is 4.
Oh
yeah. He loves everything with biking though.
There you go.
You tune in to D-League Family and Friends. Man, you always know we up to something. You know, every day it be popping. So today, they out here with the bikes racing, and it's going crazy. As you can see, they got me in the woods. You know what I mean? They racing, you're gonna be able to see it. It's going crazy, it's a lot. We're gonna see who's gonna end up winning. Feel good out here, it's a little cloudy. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Well, yes, awesome. We out here. You know, we also out here hustling everywhere we go, you know, making it happen. But yeah, man, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna let y'all see a lot of people, a lot going on. It's really happening. They racing, so we're gonna be able to see who winning, who number one. So I'm gonna go over here so y'all can see. I'm tired, that's why I'm breathing hard. Y'all gonna see. Let's see. Getting close to seeing. All right, let me jump up here, y'all. All right, here we go. That's where they start at. They start right there, and as you can see, there's a lot of people out here. Now most of the track is inside the woods, but they got a big old hill that they go down. Only reason why I ain't take y'all to it, cause it's throwing mud, and I ain't want all the mud to be on me. But it's lit, man. It's lit, it's cloudy. They thought it was gonna rain, but it didn't. But it's going crazy. A lot of bikers. They even got little kids. I gotta get that $2 into biking, y'all. They even got little kids biking. It is a sight to see. It's a sight. So yeah. And then like they, you know, they got like people to see where everybody at and all of that stuff. So you'll be able to see more though. It's pretty cool. The winner, of course, get prize money. They got age groups. So the youngest groups I've seen was like 5 or 6. And then I think they go all the way up to, you know, grown men where it gets more competitive. We've been out here since about 7 and it lasts about 5 o'clock. So I'm just gonna give y'all a glimpse to let y'all see. So y'all gonna be able to see a lot of stuff. Soon they'll be coming through to see who the winner is. So it's pretty cool. I'll go back down there so y'all can see. Hold on, let's go. Y'all gonna see me fall down this muddy hill though, trying to get y'all content. Make sure y'all run it up for my birthday. Trying. This is 7 days, y'all show some love. It's really amazing though. It's really cool. We're gonna go back down here. I'm just hoping I don't slip again. Of course, I'm a city kid. Look, when you come do stuff like this, man, wear boots, man. Look. What's wrong with me? I just wore them because they was comfortable. But what's wrong with me? I'm supposed to wear boots. So we're gonna see. We're gonna go back down here so y'all can see. I walk it slow because I don't want to slip. I'm about to slip and fall. I'll try not to. They coming through though. Let's see. There's a lot of people walking back and forth. All right, here we go. Let me get over here. Let me. How y'all doing?
All right.
Pretty good, pretty good. It's super humid though, y'all. It's super humid. That's why when people like, bro, why you so big? I don't know, cause I be, you know what I'm saying? I'm always doing something, always working out. Just gotta start eating better, you feel me? But we out here, man. I appreciate y'all support, man. We run it up. As y'all can see, I am drenched. I am sweaty. We also still cooking food too. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get it, but it's lit, bruh. We always doing something. It's always up. People be like, why you got so many resources? That's why, because I'm always doing stuff. Always connecting the dots for people. See that? They must be doing a practice run because they moving slow right there with that turn. But right there, it's like they going down like a big old hill. Like I know y'all can't see it because they're going down like a big old hill, and then they have to go up. So that's what's happening. I don't want to go down there though, cause they be shooting dirt, mud, everything. And they done amped up now and they got serious. They coming through here now. They racing for the end. They coming through here now. It's deep. When they come back down, I'll flip and let y'all see. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe, man. Oh, here we go, look. Oh, the race must be on, cause they coming now. They coming, they deep. They deep. Yeah, it's like that. If I had to guess, man, it's probably like 800-900 people out here, man. So, like I say, you get it. They come back down that hill, then they go all the way around. It's lit. I just try not to fall. Like I said, I go further down, but it's just like super muddy. I ain't really trying to do that. So, make sure y'all be tuned in, man. Trying to get y'all a couple more bikers that's coming through so y'all can see. I think I got a couple more. Here we go. Look. I'm about to get y'all right. Let me flip it. I think I see like 2 or 3 right now. Here we go. Bro, my life be lit, bro. For real. There's always something going on. It be lit. I just can't show y'all everything because it be too lit. I just had to pick and choose. Look, it's everywhere.
He finna pass. Oh, he passed him. Somebody got passed.
Yeah.
Davis.
Yeah.
Put that brake down. Oh, he got his pro cam on the top of his hood.
You supposed to keep trying.
Oh, it's a girl.